To turn on or turn off Home Doorbell press notifications in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open Settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap Settings icon, select Notifications, and then on Horizontal Listen, find Home. If you cannot find, tap More, and then scroll down the screen, find Home. Oh, sorry. If you cannot find Home, tap most recent drop-down menu, and then select All. Scroll down the screen, find Home, and then tap Home, tap Notification Categories. On Doorbell press Notifications, tap Switch until blue to turn on, or tap Switch until gray to turn off Doorbell press Home Doorbell press Notifications. Tap Switch until blue to turn on Home Doorbell press Notifications, or tap Switch until gray to turn off notifications. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.